Ba, 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 ba. Shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. Okay.
Ass for me, come on girl, shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me.
What is up guys, it's Alok Hegde, and in this video we'll talk about Overthewire.org, where you can just find games which is basically hacking games, and the first level which we will try today is Bandit, right? And if you go to level number 0, basically what you have to do is you have to log into this particular level through SSH. SSH is a secure shell, which basically means that you're logging in from your machine, from your terminal, to the Overthewire.org's server, and you are trying to find a password in this particular level. What is the syntax for SSH? How do you write it down? I'll show you. So let's get started. So what you have to do is SSH. I'm using SSH pass. Okay, you can just use SSH for the first level. SSH. Then you have to type in the username, which is username is bandit0. Bandit0 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org -p 2220, which is the port number, right? Yeah. Basically syntax is username at the server name, port number, and enter. Yeah, now it's asking the password. The password is bandit0. Bandit0. And we are in, right? So yeah, now you can see we are in because this thing changed. So it was Alok at desktop, now it's Bandit. Now we'll just do clear, we'll do ls. Now there is a readme file. Now how do you read the contents of a file through the terminal? Through a command called cat. Cat meow meow is basically just a command which just reads you the contents of a file on the terminal itself. So you type cat, the name of the file, which is readme. You get the password. Too easy, bruv, too easy. So yeah, you got the password, copy it. Now I'll do exit. Syntax for that: bandit1 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org -p 2220. 2220, and enter the password and click on enter, and boom, we are in the first level. Now again, always you have to remember, in these bandit games, the first thing you always have to do is ls. That time you'll know more about the next level. So we'll just go here to the next level. Password for the next level is stored in a file called dash, located in the home directory. Now what you have to understand is, we are in the home directory because, see, if you do ls, okay, how do we know which directory we are in? We just type in the present working directory, which is pwd, and we know we are in the home directory because it's home/bandit1, right? Now what you have to do is, you have to find the file which is located in this dash, this sort of name. So if I do ls, you can see that is there. Now if you just do ls dash, it won't work, like it won't give you anything else, right? Now I want to read the contents inside this file. So can I do cats minus? No, it won't work because the syntax for special characters to find the content inside a special character named files is different. So if I do just cat minus, it won't work because that is for files with alphanumeric characters. So if I do /minus, that time it will work. So I got that too, dog. Woo-hoo. And now on to the next, guys. Come on guys, you're doing good. Come on. Woo-hoo. So yeah, now we go to the next level. Bandit2.lab. Okay, if you want a faster way, just click on the upper arrow. It'll give you the previous thing you typed on and just change the upper. And hopefully you've copied the password, then paste it and click on enter. Right? So that's, now let's move on to the next level. The password for the next level is stored in a file called spaces in the file name located in the home directory. Now the commands you can use is ls, cd, cat, file, du and find. Okay, cool. You can even use this. Google searches spaces in file name. Now this is the one I think you can use. So they're given. Okay, you can do all that, but I would do something else. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, now we're inside the next level, right? Now what I would do is, obviously first thing you should always do is ls. Okay, also to clear this screen, you can do clear or you can just do Control K, which does the same thing. So now ls mod, if we do it, we get this file. Now there is a different way of reading a file name which has spaces in the file name also. We can't just be like cat spaces in this file name. That won't work because it thinks this is a file name and this is also another file name, this is also another file name, this is also another file name. So what we can try is, we can tell the computer, hey, it's a single name. How do you tell that? Is it possible through double spaces? We'll do a trial and error method and we'll see. This is in this file name. Okay, that was it. I'm amazing. Even you are, if you got it right. And if you didn't, you are still amazing. So yeah, we'll just copy that and click on exit. Now we've exited out of that machine. Now on to the next, guys. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. Just paste the password and ta-dam. Dig dig. Oh, it's done. Now the first thing I'll just have to do is ls in here. Okay, now I don't know what that is. Seems sus. So I'll go to the next level and see what we have to see. The password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. So yeah. Okay. So okay, first I'll just tell you some basic things if you don't know. ls stands for list. cd stands for change directory, which means you can change from one directory to the another. And pwd stands for the present working directory you're in. Right? Those are the basic commands. And cat is to print out the contents of a file. Then file is to get to know what format of file it is, if it is a .txt or if it is a .jpg or any. And if you want to know more about any command, you just have to do man file and you'll get everything about that. And it says file determines the file type. Basically that's it. What does du do? Man du estimates file usage. Okay, now if I do du in here, then it will show me it has 8. Now if I want more information, I think I can do du in here minus a. Okay, there is a hidden file. It's stored in a hidden file, right? So if I go inside in here and if I do ls, it won't show me anything because I should do ls minus a to list every file, even the hidden ones. So yeah, I got the hidden one. Now all I have to do is just do cat dot hidden because I want to see the content inside that, right? And we got the password. Woohoo! If you don't get to know what any of these commands mean, just do man. Man stands for manual. It gives the manual of a particular command. If you watch Pokemon, you know there's this thing called Pokédex where like if you scan any Pokemon, it'll show everything about it. It's basically just like that. So now I want to know what does man find do. Search for files in the directory hierarchy. Okay, let's go down. Okay, it basically searches for a particular file in like a hierarchy. So it like first it'll search it in directories, then it'll search it inside. So if I do find dot hidden, it'll find it. Now if I do to come outside of in here, I should do cd dot dot. Now I'm in the home directory. Now if I do find dot hidden, no such file, because it's just searching in the higher directory. It's not searching inside in here. Okay, so that's how that is. Okay, great. Now that we got the password, now let's exit and now let's go to the next level. See, I'll tell you. First log in, then do ls, then look at what the whole shebang is. So now just enter password and we've logged in. Woohoo! Now do ls. Again, we have to do. So next layer is stored in the only human readable file. Your terminal is messed up. Try the reset command. Okay. It is stored in the only human readable file. So I think this is where file command will come to help. So I'll go inside it, and now again I'll do ls. Okay. Can do this. The only human readable file. Okay, now I'll just do cat. Okay, see it's minus, right? So I have to do like this, then minus 500. Okay, that is not human readable, right? Now let's do again ls. Let's do file minus file 01. Okay, but this also syntax is the same. Data. Okay, that is data. Okay, let's try file dot slash minus file 04. That is also data. File dot slash minus file 07. ASCII text. So that is human readable, no? Cat dot slash minus file 07. Shake that ass me, shake that ass for me. Okay, cool. Now that we've got the password and I've copied it, now it's the same old thing. Change the number and enter the password and do ls again in here. Okay, that will be little creative at least. Next level. Okay, the password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory. Is this and has all of the following properties: human readable, does this size. Okay, now let's think. Okay, human readable means you have to use file command. Now size, to find the size we have to use the du command. And not executable, I think we can use different, we can manipulate file command in some way for this particular level. I think so. So okay, let's do it, guys. Woohoo! Exciting. cd in here. Now let's ls it. Okay, maybe here. Wow, thanks guys, thank you. Okay, this will work, I guess. Okay, now it will work. Let me just log into this. Let me just go into this particular file. Then I will do this one, right? Cat dot slash file 02. Okay, cat dot slash minus file 2. Maybe here 7 dot file 2. Okay. cd maybe here 07 ls cat dot file 2. Yay. Okay, I think that's it for this level, guys, and I'll see you in the next level. Thank you and have a nice day. Uma. Thank you.